Olivia.
And I'm making.
And today we're making square mini cakes. So I'm going to make the cake and you guys are going to copy me.
Can we just slide it on?
Yep. Now, do you want anything inside the cake? Do you want any of those candies inside or the Oreo cookies inside of it, in between the layers?
No.
Just icing?
Well, I want some of those sprinkly things
On top or in the middle?
in the middle. You put Oreos in the middle.
Okay.
Are those little tiny marshmallows?
Those are mini marshmallows.
And I'm taking those ones too.
That's a great job, Liv.
Oh, beautiful.
You used the whole bag. Just on the top. Now, what are you going to do with the purple?
Use it.
Okay. So maybe try to do something like
Oh, those are
like a
good
circle.
swirls, Nate.
On the sides.
Yeah.
Yeah. It'll stick. It'll stick good. But
Here, do you want some of this on yours?
no, it's okay. Mine's all done.
Now this is just brown on the sides.
Orange and blue make greenish brown.
Even better.
Do you feel like you want to eat it, or like you just want to save it for tomorrow? You want to eat it? Like you want to cut a piece out of it, you mean?
beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness.
This one needs a little more sprinkles.
No.
No, I don't think so. That's not good.
You're done, bud.
Too much spray.